learn a very important fundamental when you start throwing man on the flying trapeze. It is most helpful if you already know how to throw a yo-yo, so making a muscle and throwing it down strong like this, and then being able to pull it back up. If you can't do that, it's a little harder to do this trick. So now, instead of making a muscle here, you're gonna flex like a bodybuilder out to the side. Make a muscle and then you're going to throw it down. The yo-yo is going to pass in front of you, and that's called the breakaway. The breakaway looks like this. Make your muscle out, right there. See, it just goes straight out. It can rock back and forth, or you can pull it back to your hand, like so. So for the next part of the trick, the yo-yo is gonna be in the air, right? It's gonna be flying, flying, flying. It's gonna be like a pendulum. What you're going to do is put your finger from your non-throw hand forward and intercept the string. The string is gonna hit your finger and wrap around. This is what that looks like. Muscle, 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 throw and intercept. And the last part requires practice, but sometimes you do it by mistake, so that's cool too. You are going to land the yo-yo on this string, so it's gonna be wrapped around your finger like this in the air, and you are gonna land it on the string. Here's what that looks like. Muscle, 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 throw your breakaway, throw, intercept, and land right there. To get it back to your hand, if you have a responsive yo-yo, you can tug, and it will come back. If you have an unresponsive yo-yo, please learn how to do a bind so you can love yo-yoing like I do. Your accuracy is going to depend on where this hand is, okay? So if you intercept the string and it goes here, this hand is too far back. So if it's landing forward, your throw hand is too far back. If you are landing it behind, you're missing the string behind, your throw hand is too far forward. So make sure you keep track of this hand too, even though you're thinking about this pointer finger. That is how you do man on the flying trapeze. Thank you so much for asking. If you have comments, drop them below. Bye!